So, Krishna,
Hi, Nina.
in all these days, we have kind of missed one of the most favorite and the most common of the weeds,
Right. Which one is that?
Manathakkali.
Manathakkali.
Yes, it's so well known here,
Mm.
and it's just so wonderful. It's one of my favorite to eat, actually. Also,
Definitely. We make it in the cafe, and the people are, ooh, what's that delicious spinach dish? And we say it's a weed,
Yeah,
it's Manathakkali.
Yeah, and beautiful berries.
Tasty berries.
Actually, this part I had drawn, so I'm very proud of that.
Very nice.
So, and you see it in the color.
Yes.
It's like jet black
Right.
and beautiful.
I harvested a lot of berries the other day in a little workshop we
Yeah?
did, so I can show you that plant
Oh,
there.
yeah.
It's full of berries, yeah.
And what do you do usually with the berries?
We throw them in a salad.
Okay.
And yeah, like that. Throw them in a salad normally. I know the green berries, they'll cook them in
Yes.
the karakorumbu, but you shouldn't eat them raw.
No, and green berries actually before it goes into karakarumbu, it gets treated with that sour curd.
Okay.
And so, there is a treatment going
There's some
on.
process.
This plant has toxin.
Yes.
Actually, all
It's a
parts.
nightshade, no?
Yeah, it's a nightshade. So all parts of the plant has toxin, even the parts that we eat. But it's the highest amount of toxin is in the green berries.
Right.
So, absolute no-no.
A little bit
to
careful
eating,
there. Green
popping
berries.
green
Right.
berries in
Yes.
your, this thing, mouth. And I actually very recently had made a sauce, like you would eat with pancake.
Okay.
With the berry.
Oh,
All
nice.
you
Like a
have to do
blueberry sort of sauce.
yeah,
Nice.
just pares it down a little.
Beautiful.
So should we find that?
Yes, let's go.
Okay.
So Nina, there's a beautiful plant here that we were harvesting last week for our little workshop.
This is a large bush.
Yeah, it's quite a large bush. We did strip it from a lot of leaves,
Yeah,
but it
and
has a
full of
lot of berries.
berries.
Look at this. We'll harvest these and put them in the salad today, but
Yep,
they're very lovely.
they're lovely. It makes a lovely sauce and makes lovely on sandwiches and salads.
Yeah.
Yeah, and but not the green one.
Mm.
The green one is quite toxic.
That we know, yeah, we
Yeah.
shouldn't. There it is there, look.
It has this, toxin called solanin.
Mm.
Like in all the solanum it is there. The whole plant has it,
Mm.
but the whole plant, it doesn't, it is in such mild quantity
Right.
that it doesn't affect. Of course, we all eat the leaves and the shoots,
Mm.
but the green fruit is the one which absolutely has it,
mm.
and the ripe fruit does not have it.
Okay.
So, it kind of...
You see the the ladies in Pondi on the street who are selling many weeds and the banana stem and that, they have this, the green
Yes,
one,
the green
in
ones
little
are-
piles for
Yeah,
the...
the greens one are treated with, sour curd here, and then made into, put into a sambar.
Karakorumbu.
And, karakorumbu,
Especially, yeah.
yeah. And actually in South India I found it, I actually discovered this weed after I came to South India, because it is not so well known in, though it's found all over, it's not so well known in...
Yeah, it's written in the
East.
book that it's
It's pan-tropical.
pan-tropical, that's the
and-
word.
And it's
Technical word.
originated actually, not quite known. Sometimes you originate a plant somewhere and then it is available
Spreads.
elsewhere. Whereas here, the origin itself, think that it's simultaneous origin in all the,
Europe, Africa,
Europe,
right.
Africa, Americas. America
Americas.
is Solanum americanum, which if you look at the picture, you will not make out a difference. Only if you look in carefully that you, and the leaves and young shoots and entirely edible. But if you do not know the source, it's better to blanch it, throw the water.
Throw the water
Throw
a
the
couple of
water.
times even and then cook it.
Yeah, I have never experienced it couple of times, kind of, because it's never so matured and hardy when
Right.
you are eating. So one time is it's enough, and not avoid the green. In Eastern India, and which I had this funny experience in which I went home, and on both sides there's this growing Ansolanum villosum, which is exactly the same except that the fruits are orangish red.
Okay, so those you wouldn't go near them, I guess, no?
It's entirely edible.
Oh, it's the same? Oh, really?
It's almost the same properties, almost the same thing.
Wow.
Wonderful thing. And actually I saw it in Pondi. So look the next time you are, doing this.
It's amazing how there are different varieties of the same plant, no?
And I went, stopped by to pick up some because it was so, beautiful. So I thought I'll take some seeds. People, absolutely strangers for me, they gathered up, trying to stop me from.
Don't touch it.
He said, "Madam, it is completely poisonous."
Right.
And I know it is not.
I mean, this is really one of the best spinaches that we serve in our cafe. People, they love it. They really ooh and ah about it.
Something like called South Indian. It's called saru, which is you cook it in originally it's cooked with milk, but I cook it with coconut milk. It's so good. It's like a white sauce with this thing. It's just the palate of anybody can be very well satisfied with.
Beautiful. Yeah, this is really part of the fabric of Tamil culture, no? This plant.
Yeah,
absolutely lovely.
Absolutely. And so medicinal, so good for you to eat. You call it, anti-inflammatory. It's good for the kidneys. It's good for stomach. Good for. It's actually some of the in Chinese medicine. Chinese medicine has this clinical Chinese medicine also. They have started using it for trials for cancer.
Okay.
Also. So,
And it'll grow anywhere.
It's growing
in anyone's garden.
Anywhere.
You have a few of these plants, you're sorted, no?
Yeah, without giving you any space and care. And it's there for you.
Yeah.
And look at this fruit.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Look at this bunch, beautiful.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice. So, we will do one next time, which is as nice.
We'll look at some more beauties next time.
We can just pick up some and eat some.
I'm going to be back here later to harvest these.
Yeah.
பசுமையிலே பனி தவழுதே மலரிலே பனி மயங்குதே நனைகிறேன் இந்த இயற்கையில் பனி துளி.
We are about to launch the crowdfunding campaign to reprint this book, and we need your help. We need your input. Please leave your email in the link that is provided in the description, and we will share our vision with you. I look forward to hearing from you, and I'll see you in the next read walk.
மனம் எல்லாம் உன்னை தேடுதே.